All right, today in class we worked over our pre-bucketing and kind of just understanding the question. And so we're going to take and break down the question. Our DBQ question is, what led to the Israeli-Palestinian conflict? And so question number one under understanding the question says, what is the analytical question asked by this DBQ? And so all you need to do here is rewrite the question. Just rewrite the question as it's already stated for you. And then it says what terms in the question need to be defined. I particularly think that Palestinian needs to be defined. I think Israeli needs to be defined just because some of us may not know what an Israeli is or what a Palestinian is. And so it would be helpful to define these terms. And I'm also going to define conflict so that these are easier to work with when we get to question number 3. So a Palestinian is an Arab who lives within Israel. An Israeli is a Jew living in Israel. And conflict are problems, issues, discord, and things like that, etc. So those are some of the words that might be troublesome finding the definition. And it says rewrite the question in your own words. Now this can be whatever you like, but you cannot use led, you cannot use Israeli, you cannot use Palestinian, and you cannot use the word conflict when you rewrite your sentence. You may also use this sentence if you like, but I would prefer that you come up with something on your own. So let's see, what led to the Israeli-Palestinian conflict? What has caused tension, and apparently I can't spell tension. What has caused tension between the Jews and the Arabs living in Israel? And so that's my question. Now you can use it if you like, if you can't come up with something on your own, but I'm pretty sure that all of you can come up with something on your own. And so I'm just going to bold these words so that we know that these are the answers and not the questions themselves. Actually, let's make them a different color so they're much more easily recognizable. And so that's simply that. And then we went through and we did our pre-bucketing, giving 3 reasons for the conflict that's happening between the Israelis and the Palestinians. So one answer I said was land. For me, that's land, but yours could be anything you like. It's what you think the reasons are for this. Religious tension. Apparently, I'm just not spelling correctly today. Okay, religious tension or land distribution. And I said ethnic diversity. Or lack of control. So these are some of my reasons. Now yours do not have to be these reasons because it's whatever you think the issues might be, the reasons for that causes issues between the Israelis and the Palestinians, and that is up to you to determine. But you can definitely use these reasons if you need to. Okie dokie.